Changing the home screen layout on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is simple and lets you customize the phone exactly how you like. With a few quick taps, you can adjust how your apps look, how many appear on each screen, and even lock the setup so nothing gets moved by mistake. First, back to the home page, long press any empty space on your home screen. When the options appear, tap the settings gear icon to open home screen settings. From there, select home screen layout. You will see two options, home and apps screens or home screen only. Choose the one that fits your style. You can also improve usability by adjusting the home screen grid and apps screen grid. Increasing the grid lets more apps fit on one page, while decreasing it makes icons larger and easier to tap. This helps you organize your phone based on your preference and usage habits. Finally, enable lock home screen layout to keep everything in place. This prevents accidental movement or deletion of apps, keeping your screen clean and stable even after updates or daily use. Once set, your Galaxy S26 Ultra will feel more organized and personal. Overall, these settings give you a smoother, more flexible experience that fits your daily routine and makes navigation faster, easier, and more enjoyable.